Hi, everybody. My name is Nicole Brown. I am excited to start my field placement. Well, I have started last week was my first week, and the type of agency that I am working for is an agency dedicated to providing advocacy and a safe haven for women. It is a 501c3, and what I expect to learn from my field placement is more about the biopsychosocial assessments that they utilize, like what their intake process is, also what type of therapeutic services they offer their clients in order to get them back on track, and just really to find out how to run a group, which I have been fortunate enough to be a part of and attend in my very first week. I'm looking forward to just how to engage clients, finding out what's the best support for them, and learning about different methods of therapy. So I am most excited about being impactful. I think that I just really want to make a difference during my internship as well. And they also have a lot of professional development. They offer certifications, they offer grant writing, they offer tools to really get you prepared for this field, what I have gathered thus far. My concern is just managing my own emotions. I'm an empath, so this field is for me, but I also need to manage my emotions. And my plan for doing it is just self care, de stressing, leaving the things that I experienced where they are at, and then also talking to my site supervisor and my manager if I have questions or difficulties. All right, I'm a little over 2 minutes, so I look forward to having class with you guys.